Yeah, me again, Max Volmeister, taking you on tour. Now, I'm taking you through the tour of the ancient forest. Look at this enormous tree, Mr. Volmeister. Wow, it's a biggie, isn't it? It's a beauty. Look at that, and there's lots of ferns. I think ferns are very, very, very special. I love ferns. There we are. Look. Okay, even a man ran past. Look at that. How fascinating. These trees happen to be very European. They're European trees. Where am I? Where is Mr. Volmeister? He's walking through the forest, the ancient forest. Luckily they built good roads back then because I'm walking on one. Aha! Oh, look at these giant ferns. Wow. Wowee. Should put some music in this one, shouldn't you, Mr. Volmeister? Wow. Don't get lost now. Alrighty. Okay. Over. Signing out for now. Volmeister Enterprises. Bye.